This orange poppy seed pound cake has a moist, dense, and tender crumb that's bursting with orange flavor and scaled to fit a single serve 4-inch cast iron skillet. To prepare a seasoned room temperature mini skillet, rub butter evenly along the inside and coat in granulated sugar. To make the orange poppy seed pound cake, rub between your fingertips 2 grams orange zest into 25 grams granulated sugar until fragrant. Cream the orange sugar into 25 grams room temperature butter until smooth. Mix in 5 grams freshly squeezed orange juice and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, half teaspoon poppy seeds, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on the bottom of the prepared skillet and bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. The skillet pound cake is done when the top is golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool down for at least 5 minutes or until cool enough to handle. To make enough orange icing to drizzle on top, use a small mason jar to mix a tablespoon of icing sugar with a drop of orange juice. Then gently run a small palette knife around the edge to make the cake easier to release and decorate the top with icing.